which sequence of transformation maps triangle ABC to triangle RST? All right, so for me, there's no like super easy magic way to do this. I just try each one of them. So I'm going to start with A and I'm going to try it. So reflect ABC across the line x equals -1. So you find -1 on the x-axis and you draw that line of reflection through it. So I'm just going to count. Go 2 to get to the line of reflection, so I'm going to go 2 this way. Same thing here, I go 2, so I'm going to go over 2. And then on this one, I go 4 to get there, so I'm going to go 4 the opposite direction. All right, so if I reflect across x equals -1, it gives me this triangle, which is looking pretty good. The orientation lines up. So then it says we want to translate 1 unit down. Well, if I shift that triangle 1 unit down, it's not exactly going to match up, right? What have I done? There we go. So that would just move each of these points down 1, giving me this green triangle, and I want it to be this triangle down here. So A does not work. Okay, now let's look at B. It still says reflect across the line x equals -1. So we're still going to leave that red triangle there. But then from that red triangle, it says to translate down 5 units. So let's try that. If I start at this point and I go down 5 units, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ooh, that's looking pretty good. If I start here and I go down 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then if I take this one down 5, it does meet the triangle that I want it to be. So that is going to be my answer. Now you can check the rest of them if you wanted to, but you would find out that they do not give you triangle TSR. So the best way to do that is just to try it.